His head exploded. So this past weekend, Chicago and surrounding areas are shut down due to COVID-19.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Rona ain't ruining nothing over here because I was already planning on going ham. Ever since our plans to go on our trip for BabySavvy's birthday got canceled, I decided why not put my energy, time, and money into planning a last minute birthday party for BabySavvy. So sit back and let me just blow your mind. Hello angels, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time gracing my channel. Today's content is crafted for the birthday party ready Angel and you. Hopping right into it. Okay angels, so I was crafting all weekend for BabySavvy because I go hard for mine, okay? And I'm not gonna tell y'all the theme of her birthday party because I really want y'all to guess it, but go ahead and comment below about what you think the theme is for this birthday party. So I am just going to focus on these 6-foot tower balloon columns for these animals that I created for the party. I really did start with like 3 main characters involved, and they just evolved like with my creativity, so keep that in mind. But I'm going to start by showing you all how I put together the pig. So we're going to call her Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy was just out on a whim. Okay, I started with the balloons, the pink balloons, and then I moved on to having some facial features with the acrylic paint. I just used white and black acrylic paint on her face, as you all can see in the next clip here. And then I was just trying to use like mainly supplies I got from the dollar store. So I had the acrylic paint already, and then I had this glue from the dollar store. I'm talking about Dollar Tree, y'all. So the glue was $1. So I used the glue to glue on these rose petals that I had. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I have like a Barney bag full of supplies. So most of the stuff that I'm using on these balloon columns is from the Dollar Tree, but these rose petals are from Walmart. So if you want to find them, they're at Walmart. I think they were a little bit over $1, not too expensive. But that was just to make it look like fuller because it is a pig. I wanted to give like that fluffy look. It came out looking like a piana, which was like pianta, is how you say it. So it was really cute. But then I decided to take it a little further and use the rose petals on the pig's, like, I guess you want to say collar area. So a little bit under like the head of the pig. So I just added it because I had it and I wanted to use these rose petals up because I was already using them on this project. So I said, why not take it a step further? So I went ahead and glued the rose petals to the 4 balloons immediately under the pig's head. Okay, so the pig turned out super cute in my opinion. Here it is, really tall and pink. It looks like a pig. I mean, I asked my godson, he said it looked like a pig, so can't nobody say this don't look like no pig. So next I moved on to the duck with the same idea in mind of like fleshing it out a little bit with a little bit of extra. I added these feathers, and the only difference from the pig and the duck is that I put rhinestones on the duck's eyes, both of their nose, with the nose of the pig, and the beak of the duck is made out of construction paper, FYI. So I also well, next I'm just gonna move on to the cow for you all and kind of walk y'all through the process. So I'm using balloons from the Dollar Tree. They sell a 12-pack of balloons for $1, but I didn't use all 12. No, it's 15 packs. I'm sorry, it's 15 packs 15 balloons. I cannot talk. 15 balloons in each pack, y'all. Okay. And then I left 2 balloons out just in case one of them popped, or just for room for error. So in total, I used 24 balloons. Okay. And then I'm using yarn to attach the balloons to like each layer, but a lot of people use ribbon. I just happen to have yarn, y'all, in my Barney bag full of supplies. So the key here is to tie your balloons together in 4s, as you saw me do, and then to string your balloons together with whatever type of string you have as tightly as possible. The key is to do it tight, because I had some like problems with my other 2 columns, like getting loose with time, because of course air does like seep out of balloons a little bit, but you can just like control that a little bit if you just tie these balloons together as tight as possible, of course without having them snap, but as tight as you can get them. So in all total, I used 24 balloons for the base, so that's 7 layers of 4 balloons to get the height I wanted for the cow. The cow is bigger than the pig and the duck, because in real life, that's just how it goes. So I wanted it to be the biggest one of all. So those are the measurements and the number of balloons that I used to get this height. I had to go in like and get a step stool to attach the head, y'all. And finally, I just wanted to put the spots in, but I had to make sure like I knew what spots look like, so I had to look that up on Google to see what some cow spots look like. But then finally, I go in and I add my cow spots based off of what I saw on Google. After I get this head up top, I just attach the head with tape. That was the best way I saw fit. I guess you could string it on with the string, but just so it stays in place more, I use tape. But then I go in and I add some spots, and it turned out super cute. I was like really surprised at how cute it all turned out. And comment below. I'm sorry, this voiceover is a little bit just like off. I'm sorry if it's off. I just kind of did it on a whim. But go ahead and comment below which animal that you see here is your favorite. I would love to know. Yeah, it was pretty much simple, but here it is. So next weekend content will actually give you how the birthday party turned out. Like I said, I was crafting all weekend, so I am happy. So I am excited to see everything come together, and I'll be able to vlog for you all and do the whole setup, birthday party ordeal with you all. So look out for that content next week. As always, I want to pray that you all continue to live your blessed life, and thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.